Welcome back to the Rose YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to do a bore scope check on a 987 Gen 1 Cayman, but it's going to be exactly the same for the Boxster. Yeah. Have a look. Oh. Screen wash, it says it on the bottle, so it must be it. What we're going to do is take the ignition coil pack and spark plug out of cylinder 6, as that's the most notorious cylinder for getting bore scoring. So what we'll do is just start there. If that's any good, what we'll do is work our way backwards down to 5 and 4, and then we'll do the other side. If 6 is scored, that's it. Pretty much game over. Let the customer know, and that's going to be an expensive job to repair. So we've got the bore scope camera inside the cylinder now. As you can see, to the side over there is what the cylinder should look like. Quite often you can get drag marks, but then if you come over this way, look at that. That is terrible. If you were to run your fingernail over that, it would really catch your fingernail. It would grate across it, which means it's definitely scored. Unfortunately, this is a worst case scenario for the customer. And this is going to be expensive if they wanted to fix this. Anyway, we'll get in touch with the customer and let's see what happens from there. So as you can see, we only did one cylinder as was really scored badly. So what we're going to do is get in touch with the customer, see what they want to do. You've got to be running to sort of 7-8 grand at a minimum for a full engine rebuild with all the liners being done, assuming that both sides have to be done. Anyway, thanks for watching the Rose YouTube channel. Please subscribe and we'll see you on the next video.